Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to make the sun, sky, and clouds with spray paint for craft projects. Now I'm just going to use a scrap piece of wood for this demonstration. I'm going to spray some orange and some yellow just as the base. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to use a circle cut from a self-adhesive vinyl. I'll apply that where I want the sun. Then I'm going to use a dark blue spray paint to start to spray the sky. Once the dark blue's done, I don't even let it dry. I mist over some lighter blue just to add some contrast. And then I'm going to go right into making the sun rays. So I'm going to use a straight edge. You can use cardboard. In this case, I'm using a piece of plastic. You can put the corner right on the center of the sun, and you want to spray on that straight edge, not on the board that you're painting, so that it's going to create a mist. It's going to be a kind of a sharp edge on one side and a mist on the other side. Once you've got all of the rays, or the side of the ray done, you move to the other side so that you can spray from the other side, and you're going to do the exact same thing and complete each ray, so that each ray is going to have be bordered by a more distinct line on the outside and a mist on the inside. And you can do as many of these rays as you'd like. You can make the rays as wide as you'd like, depending on the craft project that you're working on. Once you're satisfied with the sun rays, which I will be shortly, then we're going to move on to the clouds. And the clouds are very easy. You can use oak tag, you can use cardboard. The trick is to rip the shape. Don't try to cut it with a scissor. You hold it about a ½ inch away from the material, and you just mist white spray paint. You don't want to go too heavy. You almost want it to be transparent. You want to be able to kind of see through the cloud. And now I'm going to wait for that to dry, lift off the self-adhesive vinyl circle, and you have finished sun, sky, and clouds. And these can be used in a variety of different craft projects. The one that I'm working on right now is a spring themed porch welcome sign. Check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a whole bunch of do-it-yourself projects on there. Thank you very much for watching, and if I can ask, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. Thank you.